Good morning, this is Paul. Beside me is an absolutely beautiful Porsche 991 GT3RS. If I was going to order one of these, this is what it would look like. I think this is the perfect specification. It's GT silver, which is just fantastic for the GT3RS. I'm just going to walk around and show you what we have here. This car has done less than 1,000 miles, so it's so close to new, it's unbelievable. You can see here you've got the big carbon ceramic brakes. Just walking around the front of the car. Just looks beautiful. One of the nicest looking Porsches they've ever made, I think. There's nice big vents which help to disperse heat from the brakes. Nice big air intakes to feed the engine. Very wide wheels, very solid suspension. So the cornering is incredible on these. And of course you've got the hallmark rear wing, which isn't just a show, it really does serve a very good purpose in keeping car planted on the road. Such a pretty looking car. Clear tail lights look really nice as well. Of course, a lot of these cars have done a few miles, seen a few tracks, but this one really is quite a virgin car. It's done so few miles, it's in beautiful condition. You can see at the top we've got the sports chrono package with the clock. We've got the pedal shift Alcantara steering wheel. You've got these beautiful carbon fibre, as you can see the carbon fibre bucket seats there, nice and snug. They're black with the contrast GT3RS stitching and emblems, and you can see that the centre part here is really nice Alcantara, so it breaks up the interior rather nicely. And you can see, although the normal seat belts here are in use, it has actually been fitted with the harnesses, as you can see, and the harness rather just fitted to the back of the roll cage. So nice carbon fibre interior. You can see there's a sports exhaust system on there, and you've got a suspension lifter, which is key for one of these. Just look at the mileage, 836 miles. It's lovely. And there we have the confirm. I promise I won't do this while I'm driving. Navigation head unit there. We've got the cage, which, as well as giving you additional safety, stiffens the car up rather nicely. Nice fitted fire extinguisher, as you can see. Again, more carbon fibre and Alcantara down here, because that Alcantara, I think as most people know, is actually lighter than full leather. You can see the beautiful carbon fibre in these seats. You see just behind the seats the transmission tunnel. Nice carbon fibre sill kickers and bi-colour Alcantara on the doors. Fabulous. Serviced around 50 miles ago. It's only ever been looked after by Porsche. The condition is just superb, as you would hope for this mileage. I hope you enjoy the walk around. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see more pictures and the full specification, please visit our website www.clinkardcars.co.uk. Drop us a line, pick up the phone, and we'd like to talk to you. Thanks very much for watching.